Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix post add music option missing on Instagram. So if you want to create a post on your Instagram and you want to add music on it, but you can't seem to find the feature or the options, this is what you are going to do. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version. You can find out about it by going to the Play Store on your phone, and then just find Instagram and make sure that it's already on the last version. So as you guys can see here, the Instagram won't ask me to update, so that means I'm already on the latest version. And the next step is that you can try to clearing the cache of the app. You can go to the app info by clicking on the apps, long press on it, and then go to the app info in here, and then you can click on the story and cache, and here tap on the clear cache. And after this, you can try to open your Instagram app again and see if the problem if is fixed. But if it's still not fixed, you can try to contact the Instagram team by going to the settings on your Instagram in here, and then you can scroll down until you find the help option. So tap on help, and here you can report a problem. Okay, click on report problem without shaking, and in here you can click on include and continue, and you can just briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you can just explain that the music options is missing on your Instagram post processing. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.